everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a vocabulary video for you. In this video we are going to talk about some adjectives to describe personality. Hemmäkde salam. Bugünkü videomuzda adam hasiyetlerini, qılıqlarını sypatlandıran sıfatlar hakkında gurung ederiz. So let's get started. And our first adjective has a negative meaning. And this adjective is a cold fish, which means unfriendly person, a person who has a little emotions. Türkmen diline aydımızda a cold fish don yürek adamlara aydılıyor. For example, he didn't show his emotions. He's a bit cold fish. Now let's move to the positive adjectives. So this one is optimistic. People always think and believe that something good will happen in the future. Rus diline biz böyle adamlara optimist diyes, yani geleceğe ulu umut bilen seyrediyen adamlara, ilmi ama gelecekte bir qowzat bolor deyip inanyan adamlara diyes. Optimistic. And also we have pessimistic. Now, pessimistic people who believe that bad things will happen in the future. Pessimistic bolanayan pessimist adamlara diyes. Bunlar yankın tersi, yani olar optimist adamlar gelecekte qowzat bolor deyip pikir etse, bunlar bolen gelecekte ökman bir eret bir dat bolor deyip inanyan adamlara diyes. Pessimistic. Someone who is optimistic is optimist, and someone who is pessimistic is pessimist. Now let's continue with generous. People who like giving money and presents to the other people. Yani Türkmen diline biz buna sahi adamlar diyes ya da el açık adamlar diyes. Sahi ya da el açık adamın karşıdaşı ama ona ne diyes? Kısık ya da husid. İngiliz diline ona mean or greedy. Men iki tane görüyen hasiyetlenme adamlarda onlardan birincisi confident. People are sure that they can do things successfully or well. Yani confident bolonu özüne anamlı, özüne gonu yetyen adam. And independent. People don't need or don't want other people to do things for them. Yani öz üçün başkalan şoň özüne başgalan bir zat etmen islemeyen adam. Yani garaşsız adam. Hemme zady özü edip özü gazanyan, öz maksadyna özü yetýän adam. Independent. Brave. People who are not frightened in a difficult or dangerous situation. Türkmen diline biz buna edermen diýäs, yani kıyın ýagdaýlarda ya da howply ýagdaýlardan gorkmayan adam. İň başdaky adjectivemiz, yani cold fish, don yürek dedik. Indi şoň opposite, yani karşıdaş bolsa emotional person. Emotional person, yani yuko yürek. Özüne hasam emotsa berýän adamlar. Another way to say emotional is moody, but moody is always negative thing. You are in a good mood, you are in a bad mood, and you are swinging between those moods. Yani настроениesi ütkäp duran adam. Bir de görsen gülüp otyr, bir de görsen gahar gelýär, bir de görsen ağlaýar, bir de görsen begenip otyr. Yani настроениesi ütkäp, yani çalçaltan ütkäp duran adama İngiliz diline moody diýäs. Now let's move to the Gregarious. Gregarious means to be really social, to have a lot of friends, and that you are life of a party. Yani Rus dilinde diýerler duşa kampany. Hemme kişi gepleşek bolýar şol adam bilen. Ol adamyň özüm şeýle bir общительный adam, yani köpçüligi gowurýan adam. Gregarious. Another adjective to describe personality is easygoing. Easygoing people who are really calm and relaxed. They never get too stressed or they don't get angry or upset. Everything is just okay for them. Yani easygoing olanı Türkmen diline biz diýäs giň adam. Giň adamlara İngiliz diline easygoing diýäs. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was useful for you. Goodbye and see you in the next lessons. Take care of yourself.